Hi friends, Marcy here, ready for 2 more Happy Mail shares. And we have DEKdesigns and the RCD team, which is Rose Colored Daze. So stay tuned. All right, so here we go. I forget what I ordered until I pull it out so I can be all surprised. These are some vellum sticky notes from Rose Colored Daze. And I'll show you the design. There's a silver heart. See the vellum, you can see through them. And then there's a silver heart border at the top. And these I got, they're not the 3x3. I think they were like 2.5 by 4. The size that was listed on the label. So those are gorgeous. And I wanted the taller ones for use in my planner just because they're unique. They're not the normal 3x3. Again, this gorgeous bag, and the one I opened yesterday had bows on it, but they were both black, and these are beautiful lilac, violet, purple. It is the month of March, and it's foiled. Then we have, okay, this one's different than the other two. It says, in a world full of roses, be a sunflower. Oh, that's so cute. I'm just stuck on roses. So we have another freebie. These are date dots that are 1 to 31, and I'm not sure what that color is. Maybe orange or copper. It is really pretty. And then you have your script headers to do this week, meals, day off next week, payday, and don't forget. So that's a couple freebies coming my way. And then these are the 2 pockets. It's an insert that goes in the ring binder, the Aura Estelle, and it's top loading for 2 sections, and there's no opening on the back, only the front. But if you want to put something, you could also turn it backwards and include it that way. So fabulous, fabulous. And then the crystal clear, the same ones that I shared yesterday, and for my pocket, I got the other size. These are crystal clear for B6 because I do have a B6 coming from Aura Estelle. So I'm trying to get a head start on collecting what I need to set up my planner. And once it arrives, I'll be ready to go. Awesome, awesome. So that does it for Rose Colored Daze. My B6 planner setup inserts with my gorgeous sticky notes, the vellum sticky notes. And now let's look at DEKdesigns. I pulled out the invoice, but I do want to check to see what my March special was, because I order on Sundays for new release Sundays, and then I order on Wednesdays for the free kit. And this one, okay, this is a Sunday new release, and it is Luck Be a Lady. And I am in love with these floral stickers in the glitter foil. I love flowers, and the colors, the soft pastel blush colors are just gorgeous. Okay, and your PR freebie. All the gorgeousness, ready to use any month. And I love these. Oh my goodness. Love that. Pastel and blush. That's going to look so good in the rose quartz Aura Estelle A5 wide. And look at this gold foil on this March kit. Lucky Be a Lady. So this was a Sunday new release at a discounted price. Oh, I forgot to talk about my bow clip. A little ribbon bow. I'll have to do that in a minute. This washi is gorgeous. I love being in front of the window. I can move it around, let you see all the shimmer, which is so pretty. Some fashion girl bodies. Date dots. With each full kit that you order, you get a set of date dots 1 to 31. So you have everything you need in your full kit. Our half boxes, some trackers, and quarter boxes, all foiled and gorgeously designed. So pretty. Look at the clover. And the horseshoes. Here we go. Lucky, lucky, lucky. I love these one design pages. Even though they're split up into, you know, the 3 heart half boxes and then the full boxes here. And then this one, it's not a washi strip. It is some quarter boxes or 3rd boxes, maybe. And then the gorgeous foiled script that says payday, plan errands, laundry, tidy up, Target run, shopping list, hump day, movie night. We're going with Walmart, social media, and Happy Meal. All your text headers, glitter headers. There's 7 of each color, so 21 altogether. And some more 3 heart checklists, 5 of those for your weekdays or however you choose to use them. Again, that's the end of the Lucky Be a Lady. This one is called Spring Reading, and I love this. If I have a choice, I love to get rose gold foil on there. So Spring Reading, love spring, love reading. Oh, love that gorgeous teapot, the lanterns, everything is just beautiful. The teacups, the notepad, reading list, and then the stack of books, of course. Gorgeous washi. And our day of the week headers. And the new style that has the text with the script overlay. And here's our fashion girls, our beautiful girls, or reading girls. And our 1 to 31 date dots. Foiled. Half boxes with books. Quarter boxes, trackers, and labels. The paper felt thick. I thought I had 2. And your flags at the top. Very gorgeous. Scallops, bows, works, and all the deco. Oh, look at that little bird. So cute. Love the one design pages. With the half boxes, 3 heart checklist, the full box, and all of the text, the script that I read earlier. Text headers, glitter headers. So excited to get my character girl Emma. This is a newer character at DEKdesigns, and I love Emma because it's my granddaughter's name, and she's so cute. She's petite and so cute, like this little Emma. And then the gray-haired character I love. Yeah, there you go. Gray hair, love it. Love the coffee cup, the coffee to slurp, to hug, to cry over. So there's 2 of those. And then I have Netflix binge. Not much on watching TV, but when hubby's home, sometimes we'll watch a series. And you might watch 1 or 2 in a row, you know, instead of just watching one and turn it off. We'll watch the next one and keep going. And these are March wacky holidays. So there is a Give a Compliment Day. Love that. Of course, Dr. Seuss's birthday, and I Want You to Be Happy Day. March 4th and Do Something Day. I like that, March 4th. Do something. Real Film Day, Dentist Day, Cereal Day, Organize Your Home Office Day. Okay, need that. Get Over It Day. There's the bridge. Get over it. Wrench Dressing Day, Worship of Tools Day, Plant a Flower Day, Jewel Day, National Pie Day, Everything You Think Is Wrong Day. And then we have Panda Day, St. Patrick's Day, Global Recycling Day, Certified Nurses Day. There you go, to my sis. Spring Equinox Day, World Poetry Day, Goof Off Day, Puppy Day, Cocktail Day, Waffle Day, Hat Day, Scribble Day, Respect Your Cat Day, Mom and Pop Business Owner Day. Okay. Pencil Day and Crayon Day. Love it. Love it. Those are some wacky holidays to have fun with. And I just got some boxes that have a script heading, Currently Reading. And this is just the neutral palette. And then it's a pastel with the same box and the script. a collection of some weather stickers. And I don't have too many of these cute icon stickers from DEKdesigns, but I've been adding quite a few to my order because they're just cute and I wanted to collect them. Blood glucose reading character for your planner. And this is my dishwasher. And I run my dishwasher about once a week because it takes me a week to fill it up. And when it's full, I turn it on. Boom. Okay, so this was a fun kit or Happy Mail haul to unwrap. And then I'm adding, I forgot to share this at the beginning, I'm adding my another pink bow clip ribbon to my collection. And the newest ones, the most recent ones I've been receiving are pink, and I love that. So this is a little bow, and this one has hearts. Kobe wants to play when I'm trying to talk. Okay, so that's gorgeous. Happy, happy, happy. It's Happy Mail Day. Thank you for spending some of your precious moments with me. You have a blessed day. Bye-bye.